So, what is shutter speed? Well, first of all, a quick definition. Shutter speed is the length of time that your camera's sensor is exposed to light when you press the shutter button. And there are two simple concepts that you need to understand about this, and the first one is pretty obvious. The longer your shutter speed, the greater the amount of time your camera's sensor is going to be exposed to light, so the brighter your image will be. This means that when your pictures are too dark, or if you're working in a dark environment, like at night, you're going to want to use a longer shutter speed to allow the camera sensor to take in more light. This is why shutter speeds of 10 seconds or more are required to shoot pictures of the night sky. However, if your pictures are too bright rather than too dark, you're going to want to decrease your shutter speed so that the camera takes in less light. And the second factor that shutter speed influences is how the camera captures motion. For fast moving subjects like flying birds, a shutter speed of 1/2000th of a second or higher is usually required to capture the subject without any motion blur. Put simply, the shorter your shutter speed is, the greater ability your camera has to freeze motion. Therefore, if you're getting motion blur in your shots, either because of a fast moving subject or camera shake, you're going to want to lower your shutter speed to eliminate it. However, if you want to capture cool motion in your images or light trails, you'll want to have a longer shutter speed so that your camera's sensor has enough time to capture the movement as it takes place in the frame. So now, a quick summary. A fast shutter speed like 1/2000th of a second will 1. Reduce the amount of light in your image, and will 2. Cause any movement or camera shake to be eliminated, freezing the motion to give a nice sharp image. A slow shutter speed, on the other hand, like 1/10th of a second or even 10 seconds, will increase the amount of light that's captured in the image, and will also cause any movement that is captured to exhibit motion blur and not be frozen by the camera. Alright then guys, I hope you found this video helpful. I'm also going to be uploading videos on how to master aperture and ISO very soon, so stay tuned for that. And if you got value out of this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for weekly informational videos just like this one. Until next time, stay creative and we'll talk soon.